Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today we are going to cook Ghana Waakye. So I have my black-eyed beans and I'm just going to take away the unwanted ones. I know I'll not be able to get everything. Of late it's difficult to just get a very neat black-eyed bean. They are being destroyed by insects in the market. So now I'm just going to wash it thoroughly before I cook it. If you are new to this channel, you are most welcome. And to my old subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch videos on this channel. So you just have to take your time to wash it well. So now that I'm done with the washing, I'm going to add sorghum leaves and I'll add some water. You have to add enough water so that it can cook the black-eyed beans properly. So I'll be adding potash or kanwa. You can also add baking soda to fasten the cooking process. So after cooking the waakye for about 12 minutes, it was now becoming very soft. So I just had to take away the sorghum leaves and added in my local rice that I have washed. I'm adding some salt and I'll just stir everything together and I'll cover it for additional 10 minutes for all the water to drain, and by then the waakye will be cooked properly. So this is done and you can eat it with your shito, your sauce, your stew, and you can also add some vegetables or spaghetti to it. I hope you have enjoyed watching this beautiful video. See you next time. Bye.